Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tin fish pasta. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need your favorite canned fish, a good quality pasta, and some key aromatics like garlic and chili flakes. The beauty of this dish is its simplicity and versatility, allowing for quick preparation without sacrificing flavor. We'll focus on creating a balanced and satisfying meal that's perfect for any weeknight. Now, let's build our flavorful sauce. Start by gently sautéing minced garlic and a pinch of chili flakes in a generous amount of olive oil until they become aromatic. Next, add either crushed canned tomatoes or a spoonful of tomato paste to create a rich, savory base. Finally, gently fold in your flaked tin fish and a splash of the starchy pasta water to emulsify the sauce, ensuring it coats every strand of pasta beautifully. With your sauce ready, it's time to bring everything together. Cook your pasta until it's perfectly al dente, which means it still has a slight bite. Remember to reserve about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water before draining. Then, transfer the hot, drained pasta directly into your pan with the tin fish sauce. Toss everything together vigorously, adding a little reserved pasta water as needed to achieve a silky, cohesive sauce. To finish, garnish your delicious tin fish pasta with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley and a bright squeeze of lemon juice to elevate the flavors. Serve it immediately while it's warm and comforting. This dish is incredibly adaptable, so feel free to experiment with different herbs or a dash of capers for extra zest. For more great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.